Well, here you go, folks. Another beautiful day in northern Illinois, the state line area in Rockford, blowing, snowing, and I have a ski drop for a driveway. That is pretty sharp down there, folks. The dog has to be talked into going outside to go to the bathroom. She might have just went by. But other than that, it's just a great day. And you know what? We got all kinds of things to do. We're going to go to church in a little bit, be greeters for the Christmas play at First Free. Then I have to go into work tonight to push buttons for the Illinois-Northern Colorado game. I'm blaming it on Northern Colorado for being such an ugly day. So there you have it. Did Daisy come back in? Let me see if I can find Daisy, dog. Daisy, there she is. Say hi, Daisy. Daisy says, nah, I think I'll go inside now and forget about the rest of the day. So there you have it, folks. Another lazy, hazy winter day in the state line area.